Hey everyone, so today my boyfriend and I are taking on a new project. We are attempting to fix my dad's old boards from the 60s and 70s. They have been used and abused and kind of just left in the garage for years, so they're kind of messed up. We're just going to try and restore them as best we can and make him super happy. Let's take a look. So here is my dad's board collection. This one is a Wave Tools board. So we were told that this board was made in the 80s in Southern California. I think this person still shapes. This next board is a longboard and it was made by Dewey Weber, also in Southern California. So we were told this one was actually made in the late 60s because there's no leash plug. People didn't wear leashes back then. So pretty cool. And then this board I feel like a lot of people have heard of. It's IPA, so shaped by Ben IPA. We were told it was shaped in the late 70s because again, no leash plug, and this one is called a Stinger. Here's the back, and you can see here, I guess people actually would put their leash in the little screw here. Super crazy to think about, but yeah. I love my dad's old boards and makes me happy knowing that we're gonna try and fix these up for him because they've been sitting in the garage for years and haven't been used or taken care of really. So this board has a big ding right there in the middle. We're just scraping off some of the wax right now. That old nasty wax. Yeah, this board definitely isn't in the best condition. Obviously there's like tape here, and these are all broken in. Yeah.
I want to ride this board.
You want to ride this board?
Yeah, single fin, no leash.
No leash.
Take it out at cows.
Yep. Test it out.
Does that tear out of that?
Just kind of getting some of that gross old wax residue off. And we're doing this all at my boyfriend's shaping shed. The shaping shed is actually at a horse boarding stable, which is pretty funny. So some horses over there, as you can see, but they rent out these spaces to shapers, which is pretty cool. So we can go ahead and take a look inside. Oh.
You got high quality products here.
Okay, so let's take a look inside. So my boyfriend actually splits this shaping shed with John Mel. His son is Peter Mel. He's a big time Maverick surfer. So here's the little shaping room. It's pretty messy. This is where John Michael does all of his shaping and glassing, so it's pretty cool. Alright, so we are back in the shop 2 or 3 weeks later, and the first board we are working on is the Dewey Weber longboard here. Just cleaning it up, and then it has this huge split in the nose, so we're just gonna try and fix it. It's probably not gonna look very good, but at least we're trying. This is what we're trying to fix. It kind of split open at the nose here, so we're just gonna try and cut this part off. John Michael does all the hard work, and I'm just here to learn and for moral support and to film.
That's right.
Alright, so basically he just cut out the foam that was here that had water damage, and we're just going to put a new piece of foam here and then glass over it. And again, it's not going to look really pretty, but at least we will have fixed it, which is what I wanted anyway. So he's cutting a piece of foam to fit right here to fix this on the longboard. He's just trying to sand this down to get the perfect fit in that little spot. So he kind of just cut this piece of foam and then sanded it down in here, so now it is perfectly set. And then we're going to put the cloth on top and then seal it over. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. It is day 3 at the shop. We're kind of like coming back like once every week. We're not doing it every day in a row because we have other things to do. But anyway, gonna fix the dings on the IPA board today and then hopefully just make it look really nice. So we're just gonna show you the process. So far we got all of that electrical tape off, which actually took a while. Putting on the gloves. Why do we put on gloves when we fix a ding?
Because it's sticky.
What's sticky? Solar res.
Solar res, and you don't want it on your hands. It hurts because it dries and it feels like it's burning.
Here we go.
Stop on it. Put a little. It's important that you pour this out inside, because if you pour this into a cup outside, it will pretty much become hard before you can even paint it on anything.
That's good to know.
So we're going to take a little. I'm just going to get a little in here just to seal it up. Put some cloth on that, but right here I'm going to just, it's not a complete break. You know, if this was your surfboard you're using every day, you might want to put cloth on it, but for this we just want it to look nice.
Yeah.
And have it be all sealed up.
Yeah, we're probably just gonna use this board once and then just probably keep it at my dad's house on the wall.
But this way no water will get into those little cracks. And then we're going to take it outside, and it'll dry super quick, probably 15 minutes at least. As soon as it hits the sunlight, the UV makes it get all gummy and it starts drying. So if you touch it now, you're just gonna break it apart and it's gonna be like jelly. So you just gotta let it get completely solid.
So it's like 15 minutes or more?
15.
Okay. Alright, good morning everyone. Today is either day 4 or 5 of fixing the boards. We are still fixing the IPA board for the dings and then also still fixing the Dewey Weber longboard for that big chunk that was taken out. So hoping to finish at least one of them today. So we fixed this one last time. It's really not gonna look that great, but at least we've covered it up and hopefully can try to ride it again. We fixed that. We fixed this. Need to fix that. Need to fix this, and these two on the end as well. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. Back at the shop. This is day 5 or 6, I literally don't know, but we are planning to finish the boards today. Hopefully we can make that happen. So we added a piece of cloth here and now we're going to put resin on it. Oh wait, we're gonna put yellow in it too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna try our best to match the color of this board by putting a little bit of yellow. What is it, like a dye, I guess? Yeah. Never focused. Alright, so now we're laying it out to dry. This is probably the best we're going to get at matching the color. It's really hard to do, but at least we did fix it and it will be rideable. So we're just letting this dry, and then we also got the back as well that we fixed up. So just leave this out here for about 20 minutes, and we got the other one sitting out here as well. Alright, so we finally finished the boards. This is the IPA, so we fixed the nose on it, if you can see that. We also fixed this thing here. It was pretty deep and now it's a little bit flatter. We also did these little side on the rails here, fixed those up. And then we also closed up the tail as well because those were also open. Overall, this is how it looks, and we are hoping to take it out soon and test it out, see how it rides. Alright, here's the big boy. So we fixed this one up too. We closed up the tail here before it was open and could have had water leak through. And then, it's just, this thing's so heavy. Alright, so we fixed the nose as well, and we tried to match the color, but it's a really hard thing to do. We tried our best, but the most important thing is that we closed it up and it looks a lot better and can be rideable now. Because before you definitely could not ride this thing. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks everyone for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.